Happy 2023 everyone! To start the new year in style, we get to meet our new crochet tutor Gaynor White, who talks to Valerie about her techniques and inspirations in this lovely Get to Know You interview. Then later in the month, Gaynor shares with us her amazing stash bag that can be made in almost any size and uses up all those odds and ends of wool and yarn that have been cluttering up the shelves and cupboards. Daphne Morris returns to show us the finishing touch of adding tassels onto her amazing knitted sampler throw that we've been working through in recent months. And if you love the idea of tassels, there is a great little book on the subject available through our shop. Paula Doyle and Angela Damond return with part 2 of their crazy quilt ideas this month and show us some extraordinary designs that can be achieved using different techniques. Paula loves to use the sewing machine and Angela works by hand, but they are both keen on using up those fabric scraps. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.